I need to sleep because I need to wake up at 6:30 a.m. for college. Ugh! Please let me sleep!
Wake up! You're already late! Wake up!
Jealous of me because you can't sleep? Wait, I will make you sleep. If he wants me to sleep, he needs to turn off his mobile, which he will never do. Wake up! You have a dream to chase! Wake up!
Wake up! You are already late!
For now, I will chase you instead of dream.